This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only.
Good morning everyone and welcome to our 40 function Excel course. This course is 1 hour and 26 minutes. You will learn over 40 most important Excel functions. I hope you will enjoy this course and find it satisfying your needs. These slides are introducing some fundamentals and common expressions along this course. So let's begin. What is a function? Functions are predefined formulas that perform calculations using specific values in particular order. Let me explain it this way. Think about it as a box. You give some inputs from one side and it gives you results or an output from the other side. So the function is a box. You give it some inputs and it gives you back some outputs. Function syntax. And this word syntax means how to write a function. This expression will be commonly used along this course. So this is it. To write a function in Excel, you start with equal sign, then the function name, and then between two parentheses you give the inputs to this function, starting from argument 1 for input 1, then comma, then argument 2 or input 2, then comma, and so on. Now let's have a quick look on Excel page. Excel contains some basic structures. For example, here this is a column headings. So Excel page is divided vertically into columns named alphabetically A, B, C, D, and so on. And this is the row headings. So Excel page is divided horizontally into rows named numerically 1, 2, 3, and so on. So eventually Excel page is divided into cells. Each cell is defined by the intersection between one column and one row. So each cell has an address here, which is A1, means the cell that intersects column A with row 1. Now, a group of cells are called range or an array. This range is defined by starting cell address to the ending cell address, as shown here from E2 to F8. This range can be from E2 to E8, this is for one column range, or even can be EE for the entire column. Now this is a formula bar where you can see the function written here. Thank you very much for watching this video, and thank you very much for joining me in this course, and let's begin the first function in the next video.